guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. Also, I have kept this video to whatever my go-to skincare is. So without further ado, let's get started. This might seem like a very basic step, but believe me, it's the most important one. So I'm using wipes which I got from Vogue, and now I'm gonna just start folding it in half and then just cutting it into 4 pieces. This will just help to ensure that we use every inch of the wipe and clean our face in a strategic manner. I know it's cumbersome, but you can just cut it in advance and keep it. Now I'm using an oil-based makeup cleanser, which is the Maybelline Total Clean, and I'm going to soak 2 wipes in it, and then I'm going to put them on my eyes and just gently start rubbing them. This will help to break down all the makeup and clean it easily. Now I'm cleaning the rest of the eye makeup. Using the Garnier Micellar water, I'm going to shake it and just take the rest of the wipes and soak them in the micellar water. And this will just help to ensure that the rest of our face is cleaned as well. Invest some time in your makeup removal, as if it's not removed properly, it will clog your pores, and this in turn will cause a lot of breakouts. Moving on to step 2, which is cleansing and exfoliating, I'm going to be using this Plum Aloe Loving face wash, as it is really good for sensitive skin. I'm going to apply it in circular motions all over my face. I'm blending 2 steps into one. So I'll be using this cleansing brush from Vogue, and I'm going to use it at a 45-degree angle to exfoliate my face without being too harsh. You can see the amount of makeup that was remaining after step 1. Now I'm going to use a face towel to pat my face dry. I'm ensuring that I don't swipe the towel on my face because that can cause wrinkles. So I'm just patting it very, very gently. On to step 3, we have toning, for which I will be using ice first. According to Koreans, we should be toning our face 7 times a day, which, to be honest, is impossible for me to do. So I generally like to do it twice or at the most thrice. Toning with an ice cube will help to close and shrink our pores and also tighten our skin. It will also help to reduce the appearance of acne over time. Plus, it also feels refreshing in the summertime. Now that my skin feels fresh, I'm going to move on to the next actual toner. I'm using this Vitamin E toner by The Body Shop, as it is really hydrating as well as very mild for my dry skin. I'm going to take a cotton pad and pour some on it. Doing this will ensure that we provide a check to see whether we still have any remnants of makeup left. And it's also going to remove it. A toner helps to balance the pH level of your skin and makes sure it looks even toned. It also helps to prep your skin for the next steps. Now, as you can see, there was no makeup left on my face, so yay! Wait 10 seconds, and then for my third layer of toner, I'm going to use this Chia Seed toner by The Face Shop, because this is really, really hydrating. I'm taking 2 pumps of it and I'm patting it gently on my skin to ensure that it gets absorbed properly. Now again, after waiting for 10 seconds, we're going to move on to step 4, which is a serum. And I'm using this White Seed Serum by The Body Shop, as it is really non-greasy and is perfect for the summertime. I hate putting too much oil on my face, and hence this is perfect and lightweight. I'm going to use circular motions and then pat it onto my skin to make sure that it gets absorbed properly by the skin, as well as our skin can breathe. Now, after waiting for 2 minutes, we're going to move on to the last and final step, which is a moisturizer. And I'm using the Face Shop moisturizer from the same White Seed range, because the products used in conjunction will give better results. So I'm repeating the same process of applying it. And we are done with the routine. I like to do this every night, and honestly it only takes like 10 minutes. Believe me, invest some time and money in your skin and you will be amazed at the results. So if you guys like this video, do drop in a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!